In this tutorial, I will show you how to change Steam password in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open Steam and from the top left corner, click on Steam. Then click on Settings. Here, click on Account Details. Now from left side, click on Security and Devices. Here, click on Change Password. Now here, it will show you a way for verification. Like send you a code on your mobile number. If you can go through that process, then click on it. Otherwise, click on the option I no longer have access. It will suggest you other ways of verification. Here I am going through verification process by email address. Now they will send you a verification code. Just paste that code here and click on continue. Now here type the new password which you want to set and then re-enter your new password. Then click on change password. Now here enter your new password. Then click on sign in once again. They will send you a verification code. You just need to paste that code here. Now your new password has been set on Steam. So that's how you can change Steam password in just few easy steps.